Hi, Bobby. Hi, Nobby. Hey, Nobby. No, I'm Nobby.
Look at Gunner Man throwing all by himself like a big boy. I don't know. Out here fishing with the fam, you guys. Bass fishing at the ponds. Watch him throw. Yes, that's beautiful, buddy. You're getting more and more hang of it every time. Hey, rod tip down and real slow, remember? Yeah, but you don't reel like that until you got one. I'm just enjoying this evening, you guys. Hey, sit down, mister. You're gonna fall. Sit down. Hey, buddy. Oh, just enjoying this evening with the family, guys. Getting some fishing in. Sit down, buddy. Don't forget to live a little bit, you guys. Oh yeah, we got these shad going on out here swimming. Sit down. One of them's bound to hook up to one in a second. You see Gunner? Hey, sit down, boy. Just enjoying this afternoon and this good weather we've been having here in North Georgia. I got my truck dropped off at the shop today, my new 82 K10 solid project that I got. So hopefully it won't be too long and it'll be ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, I had my good buddy Sean go and pick it up. Looky there. And I just had to get a video out this evening for you guys, so.
Oh, good.
Hey, settle down. Had to get a video out this evening for you guys, so what better way than just to do it showing us fishing out here this evening, enjoying life. What you think about it, Charles?
I think about it.
What do you think about it? You having fun?
So,
You having fun?
The fish was.
All right, hold on. You having fun, Charles?
Water.
What is that?
That's the water.
Yeah.
That's the water.
Well, y'all stay tuned, you guys. We just living the good life. We blessed. Y'all have a good one.
Water.